We're going to work on a hair dryer today, and what it's not doing, it's not blowing much out of here. And she was going to pitch this thing out, and I said, no, let me look at it first. And what it is, it's just, you know, normally if it's not blowing air, it's because the filter's stopped up. If at some point your dryer, you feel like it's not blowing out enough air anymore, it's probably because the intake, you can see that intake has got a bunch of dust and whatever in there. You can get a can of that. Let's get this can of CRC duster, which all it is, it's just this duster they use for electrical components. Usually the stuff that comes out of an air compressor has got a lot of static in it, and it can damage some ICs, or it may even have a little bit of water in it. So with this stuff here, you know, it's free of all that stuff. Well, then you can just blow this thing out. You can see there's a little left in there. It's just a matter of getting a little small paintbrush of some kind. You can get these brushes. Get them at Ace Hardware, Harbor Freight, Home Depot, Lowe's. You can get them anywhere. Just buy the cheapest one you can find, because what's going to happen, it's going to bend the bristles on there. So this is the only thing it's ever going to be used for. Keep it in your area where you've got the clean stuff. Okay, now I can look down in there and see that fan. Before you couldn't even see it because this thing was so stopped up. It's probably why she was fixing to give it away or throw it out. Got to put our screen back on. Oh, and this one too. Blow it out. Goes in there. I mean, you can tell it doesn't collect much, but a little bit of something's better than nothing. Well, all you need is a dime or something to put in that little area right there, or you can get a screwdriver and just pry that back. That opens up. Then you get in there to that screen where you can clean it, and then you just fold it right back, snap it back in place, and you're good to go again. Got you a brand new hair dryer.